how to change iMessage notification sound. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to change the iMessage notification sound on iPhone step by step. Let's get started. Changing your iMessage sounds helps you recognize messages instantly and personalize your phone. So, for that, go to Settings and then scroll down, tap on Sounds and Haptics. And there you can see text tone option, just tap on it. Now, from here, choose a sound from the list, just tap on it. Come back, and your iMessage sound will be changed. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.